welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's video is my start of the week cleaning routine for my dorm. Just cleaned her. She's looking a lot better, feeling a lot cleaner. I now mentally feel better. I feel like I can get more work done when my dorm is clean. And so when I have a clean space and a clean home, I just feel like more organized in my head. I feel like I can be more productive, all the things. Today I'll be sharing with you the routine I go through normally on Sundays or Mondays whenever I can over the weekend or beginning of the week to like deep clean areas that get pretty filthy living in a dorm, even though I'm living by myself. If you are in college and you have not yet deep cleaned your room or your bathroom, if you have one attached to your room, this is your sign to do so. And I'm just going to be showing you the like 3 basic products that I have. It doesn't take a lot of cleaning products, doesn't take a lot of time. It usually takes me like 30 minutes to do everything, and you are just going to feel so much cleaner. And of course, as we get into the winter, colder months, everyone in college is getting sick. You're using the same air, ventilation, you're eating in the calf, touching the same handles, and everyone's getting sick. And most likely if someone you're living with gets sick, it's also going to go to you. So it's also just important to keep a clean atmosphere, free of germs, sanitize your room, sanitize the air, purify the air, all those things we're going to be talking about today. And so yeah, hope this video is helpful and inspires you to clean up your space a bit, because I know it's not the most fun, but literally just put on a podcast, watch some YouTube or Netflix, and get it done. Okay, I definitely don't spend a ton of money on cleaning products. These are the 3 that I go to every week. We just have some Clorox wipes and then a Swiffer duster. And then what's in that unnamed bottle is actually an essential oils cleaning spray. So it's the Thieves essential oil mixed with a soap solution they have, and it's disinfecting, but also the essential oil makes whatever space you're cleaning smell super good. I have something I also use in the shower and toilet that are a little stronger, but for around my room, those are the 3 products I mainly use. First things first, we gotta do a little pickup. I find that I leave my shoes all over my floor because as soon as I get in, I just slide them right off. So I will normally pick up things off the ground and then vacuum. I didn't need to vacuum this day because I vacuumed earlier in the week when I spilled something, but I would normally vacuum during this time too. Then something I like to do every few weeks, I definitely don't do this every week, but I go through my pantry, which is just this like bookshelf with drawers. That's what I have as my pantry, but I'll go through my fridge, wipe down the inside of my fridge, reorganize my pantry items. Those can get super unorganized. Then I like to dust all the places around my room that collect dust over the week, whether that's around my bed or desk, bathroom. This is something you may not have to do every week, but I have a lot of natural light in my room and we know that that creates a lot of dust, so I try to stay on top of that. Then I will take a Clorox wipe and, like I said, wipe down the inside of my fridge, but also any other surfaces, places I touch very frequently, like Keurig, microwave, handles, yes, trash can. Don't forget your door handles that you share with your roommate and anyone else who walks in. Those can get pretty dirty, so definitely just taking some Clorox wipes to all the surfaces. Then something I do around once a month, so this isn't every week, but I wash my makeup brushes just because I feel like my skin breaking out can be from not having clean sheets, so I'll also clean my sheets and wash my makeup brushes to help with that. Lastly, just to freshen up the room, I like to have my essential oil diffuser. All my products for essential oils are from Young Living. I'll have my link below, but this I just put in some Citrus Fresh essential oil. And then I don't have it in this dorm with me, but last year, and I can't find it, last year I had a traveling air purifier that I got for Christmas, and it was super great. So if you find that your room is feeling really mucky, or you and your roommates are getting sick a lot, or you just don't feel like the air is very clean, I definitely recommend picking this up. Okay, that was it for this clean with me, my dorm room cleaning routine. Other things I like to do on Sundays or Mondays, because I don't have classes on Mondays, so my Mondays or sometimes my Sundays, is I also like to cook some healthy meals for the week, whether that's just batch cooking rice or broccoli, chicken, whatever it is. Tonight I'm going to make some sweet potatoes and broccoli, I think. So I like to do that, and I also like to get a workout in just to feel like ready to go, ready to start the week. So that's why I've been in workout clothes this entire time. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Let me know down below if I missed anything, because always need some more tips, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!